Today I am going to explain about the MOSFET and IGBT study unit kit. See, in this kit you have to conduct the two experiment, MOSFET and IGBT. This is the MOSFET. See, this is the MOSFET, drain, gate, source. This is the IGBT. This is collector, gate and emitter. This is the IGBT. This is the MOSFET. This is the VL, load voltage. This is gate voltage. See, this is gate voltage. This is load current. This is the RPS1. This is the RPS2. This is the load resistance. Hello. This is the today I am going to conduct the experiment of statistic characteristic of the MOSFET. Okay. MOSFET means semiconductor metal oxide field effective transistor. This is the circuit diagram of the MOSFET. Okay. In MOSFET you have to, this is the circuit diagram of the MOSFET. This is the graph of the MOSFET. Okay. In MOSFET we have to study the output characteristics and this is the output characteristics and transfer characteristics. Okay. This is the circuit diagram. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. This is the connection. This is the connection of the circuit diagram. First, hello, once again I have to explain about the connection of the MOSFET. This is the complete connection of the MOSFET. From RPS1 is connected to the, this is RPS1, this terminal is connected to the, this is gate terminal. From drain to the milliammeter, see, this is milliammeter negative, milliammeter positive is connected to the, this is the load resistance, this is the load resistance, load resistance from load resistance to the RPS to positive, from RPS to positive to the positive, then RPS to negative to the RPS 1 negative, and these two voltmeter, this is VL and VG. VG is connected across the C. This is VL and this is VG. See, in our circuit diagram, VL is connected between drain to source terminal and VG is connected gate to source. See, this is the VG, this is connected to the gate to source, this is the VL, this is connected to the, see, this is drain terminal, this is source terminal. This is the complete connection of the MOSFET. Okay. After the connection over, then switch on the mains and also switch on the RPS1 and RPS2. RPS1 and RPS2 are minimum position. First I have to explain about the output characteristic of the MOSFET. Okay. Initially RPS1 and RPS2 is minimum position. Okay. These two are RPS1 and RPS2 is minimum position. This is the initial condition of the meters. Okay. First we set for the, this is the gate to source voltage. First we have to set for gate to source voltage 3.7. Okay. First we have to set for, by using RPS1, we set for C by using RPS1 3. Okay. see, this is RPS 1, this is 3.76. Okay, this is the initial condition of the first. We have to by using RPS 1 we set for gate to source voltage 3.76. After that slowly vary the RPS 2 by using this knob. Slowly vary the RPS 2. See the readings. Initial is, this is 0.1 volts, this is 0.21 milliamps. Okay, again slowly vary the, this is 0.2, this is 2.7 milliamps. Okay, this is 0.3, this is 3.1 milliamps. See, this is 1.4 volts, this is 3.2 milliamps, 3.3 milliamps. Same, this is 2.4 volts, this is 0.33 milliamps, sorry, 33 milliamps. See, this is 3.4 volts, this is 33 milliamps. Now it become constant, load current become constant. Okay, this is the output characteristic of the MOSFET. You can see in the table. See, 15 milliamps, 26 milliamps, 26 milliamps, 27 milliamps, 27 milliamps, 27 milliamps, 27 milliamps. Same, after 3 readings it becomes constant. Okay, by varying the RPS 2. This is the output characteristic of the MOSFET. Once again we set for, this is 3.92 volts gate voltage. We set for gate to source voltage 3.92. After that slowly varying the RPS 2. This is the second reading of C. This is 0.1, this is 46 milliamps. Now 0.2 volts, 58 milliamps. 0.5 volts, 64 milliamps. 0.9, 66 milliamps. Same, 2.1, 67 milliamps. 2.9 volts, 67 milliamps. Now it becomes constant by varying this RPS 2. Okay, this is the 2 tabular column of VGS gate to 3.7 volts and 3. See, this is 3.7 volts, this is 3.8 volts. These are the readings. These are the drain to source voltage. Now I am explaining about the transfer characteristic of the MOSFET. In transfer characteristic of MOSFET, we set for VDS for 10 volts. Means gate to source voltage set for 10 volts. This is 10 volts. Now slowly vary the, this is the gate voltage and load current. We set for, by using RPS 2 we set for 10.5 volts. After that we vary the, by using RPS 1, slowly vary the RPS 1. See the readings. See, 3.3, this is gate voltage, this is the load current 2 milliamps. Now 3.58 gate voltage. This is the 13 milliamps. See, this is 4.2 gate voltage. This is the 91 milliammeter. You can see in the tabular column and you can see. Okay, this is the transfer characteristic of the SCR. This is VDS set for 10 volts. Again, you can set for by using VDS 12 volts. These are the readings of the 12 volts. This is the readings of 10 volts.